Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam geometric wall mirror. And so what you'll need is you're going to need one of these octagonal mirrors from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need 4 of these square mirrors from Dollar Tree. I have got some of these little round mini mirrors, and I picked these up at Michael's. They come in a pack of 4, so you will need 2 packs of these. I have got some of the loose gemstones, diamond gemstones, and they're from Walmart. I've got some diamond wrap here, and it is from Michael's. However, you can find diamond wrap on a roll like this at Dollar Tree. I've got some silver craft paint, a paintbrush, a pair of scissors. I've got one of these little hanging pieces of metal, and I just popped this off the back of a Dollar Tree picture frame, so you'll need something for hanging. And then I have some scrap cardboard, but you can also use a piece of foam board. So if you have some foam board lying around, you can use the foam board instead of the cardboard. And what I've done here is I've just marked off like a template for where my mirrors will be resting inside the cardboard. And then this edge here, I'm going to be painting that with silver craft paint. And the reason for that is so that when we add our diamond wrap to the edge, it won't be, you won't be able to see that cardboard through that diamond wrap, because it's just on a mesh backing, so it will be visible if you don't paint this out, or put like some silver masking tape would also work. And then I have some of these peel and stick gemstones, and they are from Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And then I've got hot glue here for the purposes of this video, but if you're going to be making this piece permanent and something that you'd like to hang on your wall, I would advise you to use a permanent bond glue, something like an E6000 or another type of permanent bond. But these are the items that we'll need in order to get the project started, or get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, isn't this a beautiful mirror? And so easy to make. So now let's go ahead and start just playing around and decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY project. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share this with your friends. Also, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.